I'm so excited to show you guys what we've been secretly working on for over a year. It's been a year in the making. We're finally releasing it. So as you know, we've had this amazing mock test that helped a lot of students, and you can see all the testimonies, all the positive feedback we've been getting from it, all the results that people actually got after the mock test. But we decided to take it one step further. We decided to actually give you a score exactly like Pearson. And I'm sure what you're thinking, what I get in the exam, it's different from what I did in all of these mock tests. This is exactly why we wanted to do this. Because when you're paying $50 for a Pearson mock test, yes, you get the score, but do you really know what you need to fix? So we decided to not only give you the score, but also show you all the feedback, all the errors, all the corrections, how to fix it, how to improve it, how to implement it. And I'm so excited to finally share it with you guys. That's gonna help you pass your exam. And I look forward to seeing your score and more of these messages like we've been getting with your positive result in your real exam.